Hello everyone, you're most welcome to my channel. So we are here with our third test series that is on surface chemistry. So we will discuss its 10 questions that has been already asked in the previous year exams. I hope you will really enjoy the video. Let's start with the first question. Question is, a liquid of density 1.1 gram per centimeter cube climbed to a height of 5 centimeter when a capillary with internal radius of 0.2 mm is dipped into it. The surface tension of the liquid is closest to. So you just simply have to find the surface tension of liquid. So for this you must know the formula to calculate surface tension. Here unit is Newton per meter, in which answer is to be find out. So just pause the video and try it by yourself. After then you can watch the solution. So here we have rho density is equal to 1.1 centimeter per cube. According to unit conversion, answer is asked in Newton per meter. So we have to convert it according to this. So convert it into kilogram meter per cube. Here height is 5 centimeter. So इसको भी convert कर लेते हैं मीटर में. R is 0.2 mm, 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 10 की power minus 3 meter. So you have to convert it also in the meter. Here we have formula of surface tension is H rho Rg. H here is height, rho here is density, R is radius and G is gravity constant, and value of gravity constant is 9.8 meter per second स्क्वायर. सो इसको हम अप्रॉक्सीमेट ले लेते हैं 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सिंपली जो ये फॉर्मूला है इसमें आपने सभी वैल्यूज़ को पुट करना है एंड आफ्टर पुटिंग ऑल द वैल्यूज़ वी कम्स विद द आंसर 0.05 न्यूटन पर मीटर. नाउ कम बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. हियर 0.05 is our first question. So here first will be the correct answer. Now second question, the critical temperature of the gas dash the critical temperature of the gas more readily will it be absorbed. So absorption का simply यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है कि relation बताना है critical temperature से. We know very well कि जो temperature होता है उसके increase होने से absorption decrease हो जाती है, बिकॉज जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं उनकी वाइब्रेशंस वहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो जाती हैं तो एड्जॉर्प्शन वहाँ पे डिक्रीज हो जाती है. बट हेयर वी हैव क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर. सो लेट्स सी. So if we talk about adsorption is basically directly proportional to critical temperature. Critical temperature अगर increase होगा तो adsorption भी increase होगी. Temperature अगर decrease होगा तो adsorption भी decrease होगी. But if we are talking about temperature, then adsorption decrease with temperature. And if we have asked in the partitions like physical adsorption, you can also say physiosorption, chemisorption. So in case of physical absorption, it is inversely proportional to temperature. As temperature increases, physiosorption decreases. And graph इसका कुछ इस तरह से होता है like this. As temperature increase, so adsorption, here we have one adsorption and temperature increase, then adsorption decreases. In the case of chemisorption, firstly it increase with temperature then decrease. Firstly absorption increase with increase in temperature, then it decreases. So these are all the relations in surface chemistry for adsorption on temperature. So here we have dash the critical temperature of gas more readily will it be absorbed. So correct answer is answer number B, because higher the temperature more readily it will absorb. So our third question is, the process given below follow the Langmuir adsorption isotherm A2 in equilibrium with 2A, or if here this is theta, if theta denotes surface coverage and P denote the pressure, slope of the plot of 1 by theta versus 1 by under root P is. So you simply have to find out the slope of the plot between 1 by theta versus 1 by under root p. So we have, यहाँ पे फोकस आपने किस पे करना है कि वी हैव रिएक्शन A2 in equilibrium with 2A. So basically this is the example of dissociative adsorption, and in the case of dissociative adsorption, so here we have this reaction A2 in equilibrium with 2A. This is the example of dissociative. So basically in the case of dissociative, we will go with the atomicity. So firstly, see here, Kp is equal to theta by 1 minus theta square. Here 2 is the atomicity. So in the case of this example, you have atomicity is 2 because here 2 molecules are present. So here if 3 molecules, then you can put 3 here. After calculating theta comes out this Kp का half divide by 1 plus Kp half. So do reciprocal of it. After reciprocal you get this equation, and after drawing the graph between 1 by theta and 1 by under root p, slope here is 1 by Langmuir adsorption constant का under root. So I hope you will understand this question. Here we have only one option in which slope is this. So correct answer is answer number D. Now fourth question is the volume of CO adsorbed on the charcoal at two different pressures is given below. Here we have two different pressures and amount of volume adsorbed on that different pressures are given. Assuming Langmuir isotherm, the maximum possible volume in centimeter cube CO that can be adsorbed is. So you have to find the maximum possible volume of the gas. So जब भी maximum possible volume की बात की जाए तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, look here theta is equal to V adsorption by Vm. V adsorption means जितनी volume वहाँ पे absorb हुई है, and Vm means maximum volume that can be absorbed. So theta, and we know theta is also equal to Kp by 1 plus Kp. जब भी आपको डिसोशिएटिव या नॉन डिसोशिएटिव का केस नहीं दिया होगा तो आप उसको नॉन डिसोशिएटिव कंसिडर करेंगे, एंड इन द नॉन डिसोशिएटिव देयर इज नो रोल ऑफ एटॉमिसिटी. थीटा इज सिंपली इक्वल टू Kp upon 1 plus Kp. Now equate both the equations. VAD upon Vm is equal to Kp upon 1 plus Kp. Now do reciprocal of this equation. After undergoing reciprocal, we have this equation. So now in the question we have two values of volume adsorbed and two value of pressure. If volume adsorbed is 25, pressure is 40. So यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, टू रिएक्शंस की फॉर्म में इसको बना सकते हैं. फर्स्टली वॉल्यूम एड्सॉर्ब्ड, here Vm is the maximum volume and volume adsorbed in first case is 25. Similarly put the value of pressure here is 40. In the second case we have volume adsorbed at 40 and pressure is 80. After solving this, as Vm is equivalent in both the cases because maximum adsorption surface एक ही है, so maximum adsorption जो होगी volume वो सेम होगी. So इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को आप यहाँ से इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. इन दोनों को जब आप इक्वेट करेंगे तो यहाँ से आपके पास आएगी K की वैल्यू. K की वैल्यू हमारे पास आती है यहाँ पे 1/120. And if you put this value in any of the two equations, in any of these two equations, then you can find value of Vm, and Vm is the maximum volume. So after calculating we have value is 100. So your correct answer is answer number 2, that is 100. Next question is For a non-dissociative Langmuir type adsorption of gas on solid surface at a particular temperature, the fraction of surface coverage is 0.6 at 30 bar. The Langmuir isotherm constant at this temperature is. Here they are talking about non-dissociative Langmuir type adsorption. And I already told you, in the case of non-dissociative, we always use one formula, that is theta is equal to kp upon 1 plus kp. Here surface coverage is 0.6. Surface coverage means that is theta. Theta is a surface that is covered already with the gas. So theta is 0.6 and pressure here is 30 bar. So put in the formula, theta is 0.6 and pressure is 30. Now we have simply calculate value of K, that is 0.05. So our correct answer is answer number A, 0.05. Now next question is chemisorption first increase and then decrease with increase in temperature because. chemisorption जो होता है उसका ग्राफ हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि पहले if adsorption is here and temperature is here, then firstly with increase in temperature adsorption increase, then with increase in temperature adsorption decrease. So this one is a graph for chemisorption. So here we have only reason because activation energy is high in the case of chemisorption. So our answer is answer number 3, that EA, activation energy is high in case of chemisorption. So now next question is also on the Langmuir adsorption. So Langmuir adsorption isotherm is very important. In the case of surface chemistry, we have Langmuir adsorption isotherm, Freundlich isotherm, and BET, BET isotherm. We have 3 isotherm, and basically it is a very limited chapter, that is very small also and very easy, you can also say. So you can do in a very little time if you want to do. So here Langmuir adsorption isotherm for a dissociative adsorption of D2. So here we also have dissociative adsorption. Pressure of D2 and K, ratio of rate constant for adsorption and desorption is. So here we have atomicity. Here they are talking about the adsorption of D2, and so atomicity here is also 2. And according to formula, Kp is equal to theta upon 1 minus theta ki power atomicity. So if you're talking about O2 or D2, atomicity is 2. If we are talking about O3, atomicity is 3. But here we have D2. So atomicity here is 2. Now if we calculate formula of theta, then Kp is equal to 1 upon atomicity upon 1 plus Kp, 1 upon atomicity. So here atomicity is 2. So our answer is answer number C, that is theta is equal to Kp 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus Kp 1 upon 2. I hope you will understand all the questions. If you have any doubt, then please ask from me in the comment box. So next question is correct form for a simple Langmuir isotherm. You can see how simple this question is, and this is put out in CSIR net exam. So here we simply have theta is equal to Kp upon 1 plus Kp, as we already discussed in so many questions, and these all the questions are from previous years, and repeatedly Langmuir isotherm questions is put out. Next question is, which of the following is not a characteristic of physical adsorption? Physical adsorption का इसमें से कौन सा characteristic नहीं है? Adsorption is reversible. Yes, physical adsorption is always reversible, and chemical adsorption is irreversible. B is multimolecular layer is formed. Yes, in physical adsorption always multimolecular layer is formed, but in chemisorption we have only monolayer. C is heat of adsorption is of the order of 400 kilojoule. So this is one is the incorrect option. Because heat required here is from 20 to 40 kilojoule, and this 400 kilojoule heat is required in the case of chemisorption. So we have incorrect question option, that is option number C, because heat of adsorption required here is 20 to 40 kilojoule. Also C, occurs rapidly at low temperature. Yes, it is also right, because physical adsorption decrease with increase in temperature, so occurs rapidly at low temperature. Now this is last, our 10th question. The graph that represent Langmuir adsorption isotherm. Langmuir adsorption isotherm के लिए जो perfect graph है वो इसमें से क्या होगा? So you can find out in by this way. Here we have formula theta is equal to kp upon 1 plus kp. So हम इसको two cases में देख सकते हैं. One is when pressure is high and one when pressure is low. When pressure is high, then when pressure is high, 1 become negligible here, and here kp upon kp is equal to 1. And when pressure is low, then kp become negligible, so here we comes out with only kp. So here we have direct relation. So here we have zero order reaction because there is no concentration of substrate, and here we have one order reaction. So graph is come out in this way. First is dependent, then it be at high temperature it becomes independent of surface coverage. So here correct answer is answer number 4th, that is you because we can see in both the cases at high pressure or at low pressure. So friends, these are our 10 questions for today. So if you find these questions helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.